Maglalakad kami dito sa kanilang leasing office. Yeah! I was about...
Okay. So whenever you bring it back, we'll just switch.
So, yan ang kanilang office. Ganito. We don't know where. And... ang aming apartment! Ang aming first apartment together. So, super good nito. Dahil medyo malayo tong unit namin. Daw ni Austin, Diyos ko. Mauutos kami sa pagbubuhat. Maglalakad kami dito sa kanilang leasing office. Of course, maybe I'm not gonna video para hindi awkward. Ito ang aming apartment.
It's a huge Filipino.
Yeah! I was about to tell you. So, yan ang kanilang office.
Okay.
Okay.
So whenever you bring it back, we'll just switch it out. You can just sign right here.
So, yan siya guys. Meron silang paganito ng office. I think this one. Is it this one? Yeah. But gym. Isn't it this? Oh, maybe not. No, not this one. Yeah, I think this one. So, naliligaw kami now. But yeah. Reason why we got this apartment because of the gym. Yeah, I think this one. Para siyang condo type, guys. Dahil nasa loob yung mga...
Where are you gonna build this to?
Are we on building 2? I think it's somewhere here. No. So we're still trying to figure out. No, not this one. Yeah, I don't know. We don't know where. Dahil medyo ilang building din to meron sila.
Building, so we need to go to the second building.
But we never went this way before.
We never looked at the room.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, we didn't. Trying to figure out kung saan ba kami. Building 2. So, meron din pala silang mga carports dyan. Yeah, guys. Hanapin muna namin ang amin. So, yun siya, guys. Dito ata kami, if hindi kami nagkakamali. Ito sa second building.
Over here.
Ayan, guys. Ang
We don't have a
Austin.
pen.
Then, meron din siyang pool doon. And which one is up? Ito, guys, ang aming apartment. This is like super long. Ow! Ooh. So this is our... Ayan. Itong aming bathroom. Mukha naman siyang malinis. Ayan. Medyo the bathroom's kind of big. And this is our bedroom. Ayan. Smells good. And this is actually like not bad size.
Yeah. top.
Good!
Unfortunately, we got the green.
Yeah, unfortunately, yan. Ito yung pinili ni Austin na apartment. Yung yung isang apartment sana yung gusto ko dahil mas mukhang aesthetic or mukhang minimalist. Ito is meron siyang ganyang color kaya ayoko. But gusto ni Austin yung namin dito, yung gym equipment. Kaya ito yung pinili namin but sa kanila is lang, parehas lang din naman ang color. Parehas lang din siya ng price. But yeah, at least we have like kind of big countertop. I like it. So, ayan siya. Mga cabinets dito. Then we have dishwasher. Check if it's clean. So, yan. Meron kami lutuan. I think this is going to be my pantry. Yan. Medyo mataas lang. Kailangan ko ng hagdan. Then, yeah. Not bad. What do you think?
I like it.
So, ito ang aming fridge. Linis naman siya. Ayan. Oh, this is where you can put like your coffee thing. That way it's not like all
It's
over
out
the
of the way,
place.
yeah.
Yeah. So, ayan siya, guys. And we have washer and dryer. So, super good nito. How do we know if it's working?
Well, I mean, we got lights on right now, so.
So that's good. And then what's this? Oh, this is our closet.
Yeah.
Not bad. So ayan, isa lang yung closet namin dito guys na malaki. So dito namin pagkakasyahin lahat ng aming mga damit na super dami. Huh? No. Maybe you forgot it there. It's there?
No.
There. So, what's this?
I'm assuming it's probably hot water.
Oh, yeah. Tapos ito, meron din kami ditong maliit na closet. So, this is good. We can put some of our jackets here and maybe shoes.
And the compressor.
Yeah, compressor. Everything looks good. How's the smell? Smells clean.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it's nice. Check the water if like there's like running water in the sink.
You want me to check in there?
Yeah. So, yan tayo guys. Oh, and then this is like this. Fancy.
Yeah, also have that.
What? Oh, that.
It's like,
What is it for?
no, it's just a hole.
Oh, it's a hole. So, yan siya. Everything is good. And then good thing they have free trash can. Mukha naman siyang maaliwalas. And then we need to... Paano ba ito?
We have trash back too.
We don't. Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe no. Ayan. Can I see? So, ito guys ang aming outside. Wala kaming balcony or patio. But this is good. So, yan. May mga nagsuswimming doon na medyo maingay but hindi naman masyado rinig dito. Kaya, that's good. That's really nice view. I like it. And we can hear them. Hopefully, yung nasa taas namin is hindi maingay. Oh yeah, ito palang aming apartment. Ang aming first apartment together. After ng aming California home. What is it? What is that?
I don't know.
So, ayun guys, kukunin lang namin yung mga gamit namin. Magiging struggle to dahil medyo malayo din yung lalakadin namin. It's gonna be hard because it's kind of far.
We need to figure out what's the closest way.
Yeah, we need to ask. So yeah guys, tingnan ko mamaya kung makakapag-video pa ako. But for now, that's what it is. Thank you!
Yeah, we need to fix that.
So, quick update guys. Mag-hire na kami ng movers dahil medyo malayo tong unit namin. Kung saan nakaparada yung aming U-Haul, eh wala namang ibang pagpaparka na mas malapit. Kaya, magwi-withdraw tayo ngayon ng pera dahil kailangan nila ng cash. Meron kaming cash dito kaso baka hindi cash ah. $400 yung bayad. 2, 3. Eksakto. Meron tayong 400. Hindi na kailangan mag-withdraw. But, nilalagay na ni Austin. Ayun, inaalis na ni Austin yung aming sasakyan sa pinaka-trailer. So, yeah. Unit namin. Tapos, ito yung lalakadin. So, nandoon yung pool. Tapos, dito yung medyo malayo siya. May hirapan kami dahil mabibigat yun. Ito unit. So, yan. Dito sana kaso puno yung parking, guys. Kaya, ayan. Kung kami lang dalawa ni Austin, Diyos ko, mauutos kami sa pagbubuhat. But our U-Haul is right there. Kung nakikita niyo, nag-iisang U-Haul. Thank you! Yeah. Ito siya guys, ang layo. Baka isang furniture lang ang maano namin sa isang oras nito. Tapos ang init pa. So yeah, malam yung pinaka-apartment namin.